area, and they believe that as long as these roads are preserved, participants last year.
And from there on, I started. So you went with that. I found sites, the museums, and the beautiful. I was in Meghalaya. One day also, I'll be ready with a blueprint. The other province, which is the Dana. Planning this endlessly and tirelessly to make sure we carry.
Mountain Road. Let's give a big round of applause. Boscos Technical School Shillong, we have Maujatap Sports and Pynkhlain, Nongmadan Sports and Social.
But I felt it necessary for our youth to understand what's happening, to really see the possibilities that is coming ahead of you. Please remember that whatever we are doing today is for you. You are going to take over all of this work that we have started. And I hope that what I've shown you today will motivate you more to feel that Meghalaya is on the move. Meghalaya is moving forward. And what I showed you today is just a glimpse. I need at least 10 hours minimum to explain to you the entire growth story of what's happening, not just in Shillong or Tura, but what's happening in Nongstoin, what's happening in Nongpo, what's happening in Jowai, what's happening in the interior locations, what's happening to every farmer, to every self-help group, to every cooperative society, to every youth group. We have a story for each and every one of them.